Hi everyone, this is LeeAnne and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to try another Thai product, but this one is made in Korea, but they also have a company here in Thailand. Okay, so this one is a peel-off mask. A peel-off mask, and it's a charcoal peel-off mask. I cannot read most of it because it's written in Thai, but it says here Best Korea Black Gel Face Pack, and it says here the ingredients are water. I cannot read all of this, but also have fragrance. It has a volcanic ash. So let's see if this one can really remove blackheads and whiteheads. Most of my blackheads are here in this area. This is the problematic area over here. I don't know if you also have the same problem, but we'll see. Now we have to clean our face. I have lukewarm water here para ma-open yung pores natin. Pores. Okay, so here. Sarap. Hindi to siya mainit ha. Lukewarm lang siya. So dapat ilagay lang natin sa face natin para na-open yung pores. Tsaka ayun. So, I think okay na yun. So now is we are going to apply this one. Open. Maganda siya kasi iti-twist mo lang ganyan. Twist like that. Tapos, pag hindi mo siya naubos, ito, ilagay mo dyan, it will serve as a cap. Diba? So, now, so like that. So, pag hindi mo siya maubos. So, now, and this one pala, 49 baht. 49 baht. Bought this at 7-Eleven. I don't know, 7-Eleven ko lang siya. Naka-Thai kasi siya, hindi ko siya mababasa. Pero ito siya, sabi, made in Korea. So, lagay na natin. Tagal talaga mag-dry nito. It takes a very long time. So now, papayan natin para mag-dry siya. Mag-dry siya ng mabilis. At saka nga pala guys, wala kaming school na kasi summer na, summer holiday na. At saka summer break na pala. At saka ngayon, nandito lang ako sa bahay. Wala akong holiday trip. Mag-video. I hope nasamahan niyo ako sa mga susunod ko pang mga videos. Diba? Guys, pakilagay naman sa comments below kung ano yung suggestion na ako gagawin ko. Para hindi naman tayo magiging anong gusto niyo gawin ko guys. Please comment down below if anong gusto niyo. as much as possible kasi I have friends also na Tagalog din. I hope yung mga friends ko na Tagalog ay nag-watch ng videos ko. So, I hope you will understand me when you look at Ash na hindi maganda yung Tagalog ko. At saka yes, I look like a lalay. Well, I'm not really sophisticated as you see. You know, so simple lang po akong tao. Hindi po ako ate. Hindi po mahal yung mga gamit ko. At saka this is for fun only, and I hope you will like this video as well. And yes, let's just support each other. Let's spread love, not hate everyone. So now, parang nag-try na siya. Parang hindi ko na siya yung face ko. So now I was given this book, this one, by John C. Maxwell. Think on these things. Right. So, persistence pays. So, pag persistent ka daw pala, it pays. As stated in the previous chapter, in my younger days, basketball was my first love. Many of my favorite memories are connected with the sound of a basketball bouncing on our cement driveways. The older I became, the more my love for the game increased. When I was old enough to enter competitive sports and try out for the team at school, I made the team. Much to my surprise, the first 3 weeks of ball practice were spent doing strenuous exercises, running sprints, jumping, and more running took up all our practice's time. Each day there were fewer kids coming to practice. The coach would continually say, "Man, I not only want to see you physically in shape, I also want to measure your heart." Today I understand what he meant. Victory does not usually go to the most skilled. Victory is usually won by those who are the most persistent. Regardless of the goal, a persistent effort is one of the most important ingredients for personal success. Okay guys, I think dry na siya. Look, it's very dry na. It's time to this one. Take this one off. It's time to take this one off, and I hope this one won't hurt. Okay, let's see. Let's start from the bottom. Oh my gosh. What I call. Good. Like, Halito na lang. So, ano pa ba? What about dead skin? Doesn't really get much. Kunti lang. Meron dito. Yo, this one feels so gross. This one's really gross. So guys, ano bang feeling natin pagkatapos nun? Ito na po natin ngayon. At saka, kanina may mafe-feel ako na parang mga whiteheads dito, mga roughness dito sa my nose area. Pero ngayon, smooth na siya ulit. It's very smooth na. Yes. Nakakatanggal din naman siya ng mga dead skin. Dead skin number 1. Meron din siyang dead skin. At saka, yes, I can see whiteheads. Ew. Yeah. Whiteheads. And marami siyang dito sa nose area. So, hindi siya, maliliit lang kasi, everyday kasi ako nag-face. So, now guys, yan lang po at sana ay nagustuhan nyo ang ating Thailand products try-on. So, you are very much welcome sa susunod nating video at sana ay i-click nyo ang subscribe at hanggang sa susunod. God bless you everyone and don't forget to share good vibes to your